about giving women confidence, opportunities, and resources to make decisions, pursue careers, get education, and participate equally in society. It's about equality, independence, and self-worth, enabling women to reach their full potential and contribute meaningfully to families, communities, and businesses.
Here's a promotion that empowers women through equality, education, and support and recognition, helping them thrive and inspire change. Number 1. Equal opportunities. Show that women should have the same chances as men in jobs, education, and leadership roles. Number 2. Education and skills. Encourage programs or initiatives that help women learn, grow, and advance in their careers. Number 3. Support system and mentorship. Promote networks, guidance, and role models that help women succeed.
Number 4. Safety and respect. Advocate for environments, workplace, schools, communities that are free from harassment or discrimination. Number 5. Celebrating achievement. Highlight women's successes to inspire others and normalize female leadership and excellence.